search Runway AI and then go to Runway website. Click on Get Started, and instead of login, because you don't have an account yet, sign up for free. I'm not going to sign up directly through my Gmail account, but I am going to use my Gmail account. So now create a username and password. Make sure the password is great. If it's not, it's going to tell you that it's not good enough. First name, last name, and then enter verification code. So go to your email. The email is going to arrive within a couple of seconds. Put the code in. You can skip this part and go straight to Runway. I wanted to close this, but actually I found out I have to accept the terms and conditions. So I have to go back and then just click continue, and then I'm in. Of course, I can upgrade for quicker editing and more credits to generate videos and so on. But for now, I can just stay on free and see what it has to offer.